are we. We are us, you are you. They are them or they. Faithful. Me or me, you or you. It is the same. You remain you. With politeness and length and width. My pen, my book, your laugh, your home. Your coat hangs on the hook. His house is his. Her cat, her basket, our child, our street. Your garden, their dream, they know it all. We are us, you are you. They are them or they. Faithful. Me or me, you or you. It is the same. You remain you. With politeness and length and width. I wash myself. You comb yourself. You rest yourself after work at 11. He looks at himself in the mirror. She sees herself. We help ourselves. You take care of yourselves. They wash themselves in the moon. Ourselves is us. Themselves is them. These are the words of the human without end or beginning. From I to they, from me to them. This is the dance of a name, the soul, the art and the drum.